Okay guys, so today's vlog is going to be a completely 360. So if you don't know how it works, if you're watching on your phone, tilt your phone in any direction and you should be able to see in 360 degrees. If you're watching on your computer, you should be able to just click on the video and scroll on different parts of the screen and see in 360 as well. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're in Bali, we're doing daily vlogs, and we're also explaining how you can travel and get paid to do this. If you want to learn more about that, go to jetsetterboss.com and check out the mailing list there, and we'll send you some of that good stuff. Alright, enjoy the video. And it's going to start with a little villa tour. That's our bell that guests can hit when they first enter. This is Villa Cassis. We have been staying here for 4 days so far, and I think we'll be here for another week or so. The way it's laid out is sort of like a compound, and it's in the middle of Sanur. If you don't know, Sanur is like one of the busiest, most touristy type of sections. We're not far from the beach, and we're not far from basically anything we need, which is what makes this place cool, because we got all the amenities. Riker is doing a little bit of laptop time first thing this morning, icing his foot due to an unfortunate trampoline accident. It is certainly getting better. No breaks, no fractures, no problems. These are little ponds when you first enter. This is the first sort of like major hangout area. That over there is the kitchen. I don't really have anything to show you here, so I won't, other than the fact that it's the kitchen. This is our pool, as you can see. The pool is about this deep, which makes it pretty good for jumping in from various obstacles, as you can see yourself. Now, this is a second little hangout type of read a book, take a little chill sesh area. We have a lot of these little loungy areas here. That was the first one. This is the second one. Right over yonder is the third lounge area. This lounge area is where I like to work on my laptop and do some computer stuff, because we have this nice little table. Bedroom over here, bedroom over there. The bedrooms are pretty much all identical, but I'll show you this one. This is Kenzo's bedroom. Nice and cold in here. Oh, it's nice. He's got some beautiful blue art on the wall. Bathroom, I'll show you his wonderful, wonderful bathtub. There you go. So a little bit of an outdoor bathtub type situation. So the bedrooms are all pretty much same. They're all very nice, they're all very comfortable, and they're all very cold, which is probably the most important thing when it comes to, you know, being in Southeast Asia. Over here is Josh's room. I won't go in there now because he's definitely napping, and he definitely deserves to nap because he stays up late editing these videos. So the way this particular villa is laid out, it's very much like a compound. You know, it's all over the place, connected with these cool little intricate chill living spaces. We got a hammock over there by the pool, a little garden. That's what I love about it, how it's like half outside, half inside. It's such a perfect blend of, you know, in and out. So this is the second upstairs area. This is where we have the bedrooms. Left is Riker's room, right is my room. I'll show you my room. So this is where Mindy and I reside. As you can tell, it's a little messy, a bunch of gear everywhere, but this is basically the room in a nutshell. They're all quite similar. Now, what does make this special is we got this little outdoor area. I really like this outdoor area because we have these cool little swinging hammock chair situation going on. It's a nice little spot to just sit down and read a book, hang out, see what's going on in the pool. One of the best things that I'd like to do in the morning, let's go for a little dip. Okay, so here we go. Climb over yonder. Dun, dun, dun. Now you're right here. So right over there is where Josh hangs out. It is definitely much nicer in terms of like proximity to the pool. Obviously, one of the best things to do is to do a little backflip in the morning. All right, so something that I really wanted to try today that I don't know if it's been done, at least I haven't seen it been done, is to put a 360 camera on a drone and send it up. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna show you the aerial view of Villa Cassis.
Alright guys, that's the end of the day. The sun has set. Listen to some live music. A beautiful day here in Sanur. It's been a good one. And you know what? Russia really wanted to make this video entirely in 360. Why?
And we did it.
Why did he want to do that?
Because we haven't done it before, and because we've been filming 360 this whole time, and we have not been using 360 footage barely at all. Anyways, this is the 360 view of the Sanur Beach at sunset. It's quite nice. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification. Otherwise, subscribing won't do shit, so do that too.
And if you want to learn how to do what we do, how to get paid to travel, how to learn how to build brands, how to build a massive Instagram account, how to live a life driven by your passions and connect with sweet friends and all that fun jazz that we've been living and breathing, go to jetsetterboss.com. We have an epic little community getting together that is just people who are all trying to build lives driven by their passions and utilizing the influencer economy, utilizing social media to leverage that, work with businesses they love, and have a kick-ass life. So if you want to do that, click on the link. We'll teach you some more stuff.
And if you like these 360 videos, let us know. They're kind of a bitch to make, but they're also really cool and they're really different.
No one's doing it.
And if you want to see more of these, please leave us a message. If you don't want to see any more of them, we can handle that too.
Before we cancel it, I'm going to throw this in the air and spin it, and I want you to catch it. Ready?
Okay.
Oh my God.
All right, so I'll see you later.
Oh, I feel Jillian. I can feel Jillian calling. Yeah, let's do it. Oh my God, Russ.